YouTube. It's Molly and Geezer here. This is us crossing the Mississippi River into Iowa to begin the Lakes and Legends tour. It was right about this time when I saw that my audio wasn't working. So this whole video is going to be kind of a video montage with music and some narration as we go along as voiceovers. I think you'll enjoy it. It should be just fine. It's just the beginning of the trip. We're not stopping to do anything. This is just us driving to Burlington. It's a very pretty day for this trip, and you know, the colors are nice. Everything about it is just a perfect day for travel. So sit back, tighten that seatbelt up, get you a beverage of your choice, and ride along. Here we go. This is Highway 22 in Iowa, and we're headed south towards Burlington. This road runs along the Mississippi, but there's only a few places where you can see the river. It's just a nice drive. I've taken this road several different times. It's a nice combination. You have trees, you have pastures, you have commercial areas like the one we're going through right now. Residential, quaint little river towns. It's just a nice drive. It doesn't really have a whole lot of turns, and the ones that there are nice gentle turns. It's a nice easy road to drive, even with classy. It's just a nice ride. I hope you're enjoying it so far. Oh yeah, a little shade. That's always nice. And there's a shot of the river that I was talking about that you don't see a lot of, but when you do, it's really pretty. I believe this is Muscatine. Yeah, this is Muscatine. That round building on the left is coming up, big tall one. Years ago, I played in bands. I don't know if I've ever mentioned that, but that place was called the Hershey Bar, and we played that place a lot, and always had a good time. I saw as we went past it, it seems to be vacant. There's a stretch of the plains area. Not so real awful beautiful, but it's kind of neat how far you can see. There, I cocked the camera just a little bit more so you can get a better look. I don't know about you, but I get kind of tired of watching concrete. Most of this road is 2-lane, but there are sections that are 4-lane, and I think there's plans to make the whole thing 4-lane at some point. That'd be nice, but the 2-lane's really a pleasant drive, and as I've said before, I actually prefer 2-lane roads if they're nice ones.